Is your small closet overflowing with clothes, shoes, and random items? Today, I'll show you how to turn even the tiniest closet into a super organized storage space. Welcome back. If you've ever felt frustrated opening your closet because of the clutter, this makeover guide is for you. You don't need a huge budget or a walk-in closet to stay organized. You just need smart storage solutions that actually work. Definition: a closet makeover for small spaces simply means reorganizing your storage area using practical layouts, multifunctional organizers, and space-saving tricks so you can fit more without the chaos. Why importance? Closet organization isn't just about neatness. It saves time when getting ready, protects your clothes from damage, and makes a small space feel bigger and less stressful. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by emptying everything out so you can see what you have. 2. Sort items into categories: keep, donate, or discard. 3. Measure your closet dimensions so you know what storage solutions will fit. 4. Install a second hanging rod to double your hanging space. 5. Use slim, uniform hangers to maximize space and keep clothes aligned. 6. Add shelf dividers or bins for sweaters, bags, and accessories. 7. Use the back of the door with hooks or an organizer for shoes or scarves. 8. Store out-of-season clothes in labeled bins on the top shelf. Tools explained. You'll need measuring tape, slim hangers, storage bins, shelf dividers, an over-the-door organizer, and possibly a drill or screwdriver if adding rods or shelves. Workflow: begin by decluttering, then move to installing additional rods or shelves. Next, arrange items by category, and finally add organizers for smaller pieces. This step-by-step flow ensures everything has a place. Quick tips: roll belts and scarves into clear bins. Group clothes by color to make your closet visually appealing. Keep everyday items at eye level and less used items higher up. Cost comparison: professional closet systems can cost hundreds, sometimes thousands. DIY storage solutions using budget-friendly bins, hangers, and rods can transform your closet for under $50 to $100 depending on the size. And that's it. A small closet doesn't have to feel cramped when you use the right storage tricks. If you found these ideas helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart home tips, and share this video with someone who's ready for a closet refresh.